Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a high quality video using graphs on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste this real quick, and then I'm going to go to the second video, go to adjustments, go to curves, and you're going to do the same thing that I'm doing here. You're going to adjust all of the left dots on the top and the right dots to the bottom. Don't really know how else to explain that. And then you are going to go to effects and you're going to search for blur. It's under lens, and you're just going to add that on the second video. Go back to basic and go to video. Go to the blend mode and select either color or linear burn, and you're just going to adjust it. Go to media and go to library and add a white stock video on top. Whoops. Also, I'm just going to freeze frame this, and I'm going to delete the rest. Go to blend mode and select overlay, and you're also going to adjust the opacity. Go to adjustments on this video, and you're going to adjust according to your video. Everyone's videos will be different, and you're just going to add sharpen and clarity at the end. It doesn't look like much, but it does look a lot better if you're like editing a video with a person on it. So yeah, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!